Rafia Malik. Today I am going to present our exhibition topic, that is chatbot. Chatbot is a computer program that holds the ability to communicate automatically with users without any delay in the round the clock. What is chatbot? What is a software that repeatedly works our task? And what are the types of chatbots? There are different types of chatbots: AI bots, voice bots, hybrid bots, etc. Why we need chatbots? We need chatbots because it provides us services, consistency in answers, and it is time saving. We get instant responses whether we are asking question about any field of education or any other. We get answer instantly, and we make this chatbot for educational purpose because for students it's hard to find and answers for their questions. So this is for students who can easily find information, or it helps give assistance in assignments and provide guidelines to students.